The Realme U1 has a 6.3-inch screen with a dewdrop notch design and slim edges for a stylish look. Choose between two colors, brave blue and ambitious black. You can choose between two memory options, 3GB RAM plus 32GB internal memory or 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory, expanded up to 256GB using the dedicated memory card slot. Both the dual SIM slots support 4G VoLTE capability. The full HD Plus touchscreen display has a 90.8% screen-to-body ratio for a great viewing experience. The phone can be unlocked with fingerprint or facial recognition in less than 0.1 second. Featuring a 25-megapixel front camera with a Sony IMX576 sensor, the phone can take great selfies. The 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel AI dual rear camera uses processor-based enhancements like high-resolution depth engine, bokeh mode, anti-blooming engine which prevents whiteouts and AI face detection. The phone runs on Android Oreo 8.1. It has the Helio P70 AI processor which is suitable for heavy gaming and multitasking. A 3500 mAh battery powers the phone. With the AI processor, the phone consumes up to 15% lesser battery than other similar phones. Box includes handset, USB Type 2A charger, pre-applied screen protector film and free back case. Check the product page for details on EMI options and exchange.